I'm ready. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the annual What I Got for Christmas video. I know that these videos are not as big of a thing anymore, and I completely understand if this is not your kind of video and you don't want to watch it. I promise that I will be back soon with a makeup video, so if you don't want to watch this, that's fine. I personally love these kind of videos. I find them really cozy and just chill to just put on in the days between Christmas and New Year when there's not really a whole lot going on. But I hope that those of you who do celebrate Christmas had a good one. I'm gonna show you some bits that I got. And just before I forget, the winners of the giveaway from my previous video, there was 2 different giveaways going on. Those winners have now been contacted, so please check your YouTube notifications to see if that was you and I can get in touch and arrange delivery. But thank you all for entering, and let's get into my Christmas stuff. So first of all, I'm going to start with what I got from James, and this kind of looks like a Tiffany box, doesn't it? It's that same kind of Tiffany blue. It's actually a ring, not this ring. This ring here. I found this on an Etsy store and it's called Norm Jewels. And I just saw it on Etsy and I thought it was really nice and I wanted a new ring for this finger here. So I sent a link to James because he asked if there was anything in particular that I wanted. And I said, not really, but I like this ring. The only thing is with this is I would say maybe go like half a size to a quarter of a size bigger than what you think you're going to need, because I was pretty sure that this finger here is size J, because I have another ring which I now wear on this hand which was size J and fit this finger perfectly, but this is a tiny little bit smaller, so it kind of could maybe do with being sized up a half size, but I don't know how easy that's going to be to do because it's a very, very dainty ring. Like, it's very thin at the bottom, and also it's got like the logo along the bottom bit, and yeah, I don't know, that's the only thing I would say, but I absolutely love it. I think it is really cute. I'm really happy with it, and that was the main thing that I got from James. I also got one of these little not hot water bottles, like those beanbag things that you put in the microwave. I do already have this elephant, and the story behind this is I had this already, couldn't find it anywhere. It literally went missing in between the time when I was moving filming rooms. We couldn't find it anywhere. So James got me another one and then I actually found it. However, it doesn't hurt to have 2. I guess then I can have one in one place, one in another place, and be extra warm. So thank you, James, for my little heatable elephant. He also got me this little mug, which is a little cat. And the funny thing is, I almost bought this for my brother's fiance. It's a little cat mug, and then it comes with a lid, which you can put like little biscuits on or something. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't buy it for my brother's fiance. I ended up getting her a different thing. It was a plant pot, but James got one for me, so that is really cute. I love a mug. I have a mug collection, so that will be added to the collection, although that does mean I need to get rid of another one because it's kind of a one in, one out kind of policy. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, by the way, if you see a rash like all over my neck and this part of my chest that's exposed, I used this stuff that's supposed to dissolve pet hair. And I used it in a regular wash, then broke out in hives of a top that I'd washed with it in, then realised it said, do not use it on your clothes. It's only supposed to be for pet bedding because it uses very strong chemicals. So, just waiting for that rash to go down, so please don't mind that. James also got me this, which is the hair, oh, it's upside down, the hair syrup set, which I was so excited about because I am trying to grow my hair before we get married, although I mean I don't have long to try and grow my hair, but basically I'm on a bit of a hair health journey to try and keep it a bit more healthy, and I've tried one of these hair syrup hair oils before. I think it was just the original one and I absolutely loved it, but with this one you get to try pretty much all of the different ones, and it's like a slightly smaller size, but I've now got so much hair oil that I'm really hoping that this is going to help with my hair growth journey, so I was really excited about that. Thank you, James. He got me these socks, right, which when I opened these on Christmas Day, he was like, yeah, they weren't really what I thought they were going to be. Like, they were supposed to be some nice thick walking socks, and he also said in the picture they looked a lot nicer in terms of the colours, but I will still wear them. Socks always come in handy. Love a good sock. And then the last thing that I got from James, I was so excited about this. It is called a Wizzy Whisk by the brand called Piranha, and I got sucked into one of those TikToks, which is literally like QVC shopping channel but on TikTok, of this man showing all of the gadgets. It was a tenner and I was like, wow, I need one of those, because he was doing some hot chocolate, and that's how you use it, by the way. You like push down on the whisk and it moves. He was making hot chocolate. He whisked up some milk and it went really nice and foamy, so I was really excited about that and I'm very excited to try it, so thank you, James. And then from my family, my parents actually got me and James a record player, which is so cool because we have a few vinyls. I've got a Taylor Swift vinyl, which was one of the signed ones that I bought ages ago, but I was like, you know what, we don't have a record player at the moment, but I'm gonna get it anyway because I'm sure one day we will have a record player. And then James has got a couple of records from some of his favourite bands, which again he's bought at concerts which have been signed, and he's just got them for the sort of memories. So my parents got us a record player, which is so cool. And obviously I'm not gonna like pick it up and show you, but I will insert a little clip. And yeah, it was such a nice present. We absolutely love it. I've already been using it. So thank you, Mum and Dad, for that. Which moves me on to, actually, no, wait, I'll save that for a sec. Let me just finish what my parents got me. They also got me another peach iced tea thing, which they got me the same thing last year, and I'm actually very nearly out of that bottle. That is what I'm drinking today. I love peach iced tea, so they got me another one of these. Thank you, Mum and Dad. Maybe more of a summer drink, but I kind of drink it all year round. They got me a little 2024 diary, which my mum buys every year. And then the final thing they got me is a pair of slippers. And again, I've been wearing these, so I just took them off my feet, but they are really, really comfy slippers. I don't know what brand they are, but oh, it just says Ella in the inside of them. I always love a good pair of slippers or just anything cozy. So yeah, we were really spoiled by my parents. Thank you so much, Mum and Dad. We absolutely love everything. And then this next thing is probably one of my favorite gifts that I've ever received. I don't know if you can see from there, but I posted a picture of this on my Instagram story. This is from my brother and his fiance. He drew all of this onto the box. Can you see that? Like little drawings of Nightmare Before Christmas and Taylor Swift related drawings, and on the back as well. I'm actually going to keep it in this because I just think that that's the coolest thing ever. The whole 11 turkeys thing was a Taylor Swift related joke. If you know, you know. I thought it was going to be a Taylor Swift vinyl, but it is actually a Nightmare Before Christmas vinyl, but not just any old vinyl. It is a Zoetrope, I think it's called, or a Zoetrope record. It is a double disc vinyl, but let me just show you these because my mind was blown. I will show you both discs because they are both so beautiful. This is side A, this is side B. Actually, I don't know which is which. How do you tell which is which? I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but they have these little pictures on them, which when you play these on the record player and record it at a certain frame rate, you can see animations on the disc, and it is the coolest thing ever. I will say I had to do a little bit of Googling and research to figure out how to actually get that to work, because I tried a couple of times and I was like, why can't I see the animation? What am I doing wrong? But I had to put it on 24 frames per second on my phone and like change my camera settings. And the main thing is you need a lot of light, so I used one of my little portable lights, but it's not quite perfect, so I need to work on that. So that was disc 1, and then disc 2 looks like this on one side, and then the other side looks like this. I think it's probably one of my favorite gifts that I've ever received because I didn't even know that this kind of thing existed. So thank you so much, guys, if you're watching. I know they sometimes watch my videos, but I absolutely love that. I think this is all they got me. I'm gonna feel really bad if I've forgotten something, but I'm pretty sure it was just this. But I absolutely love, love, love it. From my grandparents, I got a baking book, which is the Women's Institute Tea Time Collection baking book, which is a bunch of different sweet treats. And I love baking. I did actually bake some gingerbread over Christmas. And funnily enough, I gave some to my nan, and then she gave me a baking book, and I have all of her old baking stuff, so whenever I am baking I think of my nan. They also gave us some money, which is very kind of them, and then a few little cute little bits and bobs. I've got an elephant key ring, we've got a dog quotes little book, and then a little sign that you can hang up that says a sport rotten dog called blank lives here, and then on the back you can put your dog's name. So obviously we'll be putting Pinky on that because she is definitely a sport rotten little dog. So that was what I got from my grandparents, which is very nice of them. And then from James's family, I got this amazing dressing gown from his parents, which is the comfiest, coziest dressing gown, which I'm so happy about because when they asked me what I would like for Christmas, I sent over 2 different things. There was 2 things that I was like, you know what, because they were literally asking me for ideas, like, please send us some ideas. We don't know what to get you and we want to get you something that you'll actually like and use. And I said that I would love a new dressing gown, but I just kind of found this one online on a whim because I'd seen a similar one in Marks and Spencer, but the M&S one was way too long when I tried it on. It literally like hit the floor. So I saw this one and took a bit of a gamble with it, but it's by very.co.uk and it says in it it's a very duvet day, and I love a dressing gown that's got a hood and pockets because one, I can put like my phone and my headphones in it when I come down for breakfast, and the hood is just extra cozy. It is so thick and warm and cozy, and I absolutely love that. So thank you to James's mum and dad. I love it. Probably shouldn't have done that because I think I've now just messed up my hair. They got me this giant weekend bag, which is personalized, and this is for like going on weekends away, and so I thought I would put everything in here because it fit nicely. This was actually the second thing that I'd sent over to James's mum when she asked me for ideas, and it's a little wax burner in the shape of a little gingerbread house, and I'd seen this on Instagram. I just think that it's the cutest little wax burner ever, so I was very excited about that. They also got both me and James a Barber scarf. I got this grey and pink sort of checked one. James got one that I think is grey. They got me this cute little gold spice rack, which kind of looks like honeycomb. It just says Vertex by Premier Housewares, and it's a little spice rack, so we can put that in the kitchen, which is very cute. And they also did us some stockings. I don't actually know what I did with the actual physical stocking. And in the stocking, I had some wax melts to obviously go with the wax burner. I don't know what flavour these are. Oh, that smells so good. This notepad, which says Sophie's Wedding Notes. So it's a little personalised wedding notebook, which is so cute. And I'm going to have to start writing some lists in this because boy, have we got a lot of stuff to do. And then this little thing, which you can put your keys on, and then you can attach this, I think, to the inside of your bag or on the outside of your bag. I don't know, inside or outside. But I think this is so that you can find your keys easier inside your bag if you've got a big bag. I guess a big bag like this one. And then this is a little container, I think, to put things like headphones, cables and stuff in. I'm probably going to use this to put SD cards in for when I go traveling, because at the moment I'm using a little furry pouch with googly eyes on it, which I've had for many years. This probably looks a little bit more professional. Some chocolate, some Galaxy. I love Galaxy chocolate, and hot chocolate bombs. I also love a hot chocolate. And then the final thing from James's parents is a Virgin Experience Day, which is Revolution Bar's afternoon tea with cocktails for two, but it's not like a regular afternoon tea. It says that you can have cheeseburger sliders and crispy fried chicken with barbecue mayo and strawberry waffles and vanilla cheesecake. Like, it sounds like our perfect afternoon tea, really. So I'm very excited by that. Oh, and where did those earrings go? Hang on a sec. I mean, they're definitely in this room because I had them about an hour ago, so I will find them somewhere, but they don't seem to be in the bag. But they were just some plain rose gold hoop earrings, which were very cute. And then I think the final thing that I missed is a little cacao gin. So thank you so much to James's parents. As always, they seem to spoil us. They got us lots of lovely bits and pieces. James's sister got me the bubble tea jelly cat. I did not even know that a bubble tea jelly cat was a thing, but she said that she saw this and was like, oh my god, that is perfect for Soph, which it actually is, because I don't even want to know the amount of money that me and James have spent on bubble tea in the past year. I love it. I think it's adorable. I don't know where it's going to live yet, but it's so cute. She also got me this chocolate, which is a plant-based alternative to milk chocolate, and it's made with nuts. Apparently there's no milk in it. It's literally just like blended cashew nuts and cocoa butter and vanilla. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to try some of this now. It's from Louisa's Great Chocolate, and she said it's delish. So let me give it a little try. That is delicious. That's going to be gone by the end of the day. And then she also got me a pizza crust mix so that we can make our own pizzas. And you know what? I actually want to have James's sister around and make the pizzas with her, because whenever she comes around, we tend to do like DIY pizzas, but with like a tortilla wrap as the base, whereas this will probably be a lot nicer. So we will definitely be using that. So thank you. Then James's nan is an absolute wizard at knitting, and she knitted something for everyone this Christmas, but she knitted us this cushion, which how cute and how festive is this? We are definitely going to be getting this out every Christmas. And the fact that it's handmade, like, it's just so good. It's got the red buttons down the side, and it's just, yeah, so cool. She also, for me, knitted a neck warmer and these little, I think these are like sort of wrist warmer type things. How cute will these be in the winter to go ice skating, or for like a little festive trip into London? Also, I don't know if she sprayed it with perfume, but they smell really nice as well. Oh my god, I have just noticed thumb holes. So I highly doubt that James's nan is watching this video, but thank you to her, because that is so lovely. And then from James's sister's best friend, she got me this gorgeous wax burner, which again is so pretty, and I think I'm going to put this one in the kitchen. They also got me this really cute coaster with an S on it, so I'll probably put that on my new desk. And then from another of James's family friends, we both got one of these mugs, which actually I've not even unwrapped mine yet, so I'm gonna unwrap this. It's just got loads of galaxy bars in the middle. This mug is so cute. It doesn't say where it's from, but I love that. This looks like the kind of thing that they sell in Anthropology. Hey, sweetie. Hello. Have you come to say hi?
Have you shown those ugly socks?
I have shown the ugly socks, yeah.
Yeah, my bad. They look so much better than what they were. And they've come out and they're fucking bar.
I absolutely love this mug though, and James got one as well with a J on it, and I think that is so cute. It's kind of textured. She also got us about 4 bags of magic stars, which these were the 2 that are not open. Finally, this gorgeous candle, which is from M&S. It smells amazing, and I've got to say, we actually went shopping to Gunwharf Quays a couple months back, and I saw this candle on special offer for a really good deal, and I was like, you know what, somebody buy that for me for Christmas and I will completely forget about it. And I did completely forget about it, and I got this lovely candle. Oh my god, and she also gave us this, which is a little bauble that says Pinky on it, and it says Merry Christmas and Pinky, and it is full of dog treats, which is so cute. Actually, Pink's... There you go. You hear the crunching. Why is a dog crunching the cutest noise in the world? And then James's aunt and uncle who live up north gave us this little hamper which is full of chocolates and Prosecco and a little cookie baking kit. So that is really cute. We've got so much chocolate to eat. And then finally from James's uncle and cousins who we saw yesterday, we got a Tom Kerridge outdoor cooking book, which is all about barbecue food. And we've already seen a few things in here that we absolutely love the look of. There was a T-bone steak thing in here that just looked unreal. And also 2 boxes of chocolates, which I will say I did open these yesterday. This is from a brand called Ladderach, a Swiss chocolate brand, and these are delicious. And then the final thing is the Lily O'Brien's Christmas Desserts Collection chocolates. These also sound amazing, so thank you so much to James's uncle and cousins for those. So I think that is everything that I got for Christmas this year. Thank you so much to any of my friends and family if they are watching this video, which I don't know, some of them might be. My mum probably is. Hi mum, but if you are watching, thank you. As always, our family spoil us. Thank you so much to our friends and family. So I'm gonna go and make myself some dinner. I hope you guys are doing good. If you like these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, I would love to have you. My next video will be my 2023 favorites, like beauty favorites. So if you want to see that, then feel free to subscribe. And I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm sending you all loads of love and thank you for just watching this video and spending your time with me. I hope you're doing okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.